یاره ملګرو هندوان رښتیا هم چې په طبابت کې ډېر زیات مخکې دي او بیا په ډینټل طبابت کې تاسې دا ویډیو وګورئ یو ځل سرک په غاړه ناست دی.
When you finish watching this video, you'll understand why Indians claim their dental technology is world leading. In the USA, dental filling can cost $1,000, but in India, it only costs $2. Let's take a look at how Indian dentists perform dental fillings. This is a street-side dental clinic in India. The dentist
Shaukat Ali Dandansaz
is preparing the filling materials.
Oh,
he cuts a piece of wire with pliers and threads it through the patient's teeth. The patient is missing 2 teeth on the right side of the front teeth. The dentist needs to use the wire to build a framework for the dental filling, which will support the later installation of false teeth. After building the framework, the dentist uses a match to heat the composite resin material in a spoon, making it soft. These 2 false teeth are the prosthetics prepared for the patient. Before filling, the dentist cleans the gap in the patient's gums with a tissue. He then fills the gap with the resin material and combines it with the framework by hand to ensure the filling won't fall out. Next, he applies a solution to the resin filling to accelerate hardening. The dentist then installs the prosthetics onto the filling and carefully adjusts their position to align with the natural teeth. After the filling is complete, the dentist uses a file to smooth all the patient's teeth, ensuring better alignment and chewing efficiency. What do you think of Indian dentists?
خاوې په امریکا یا اروپا کې وي که یو غاښ ډکې نو $100 پې مصرف راځي خو که په هند کې د سره غاړې کوم ډاکټر ته لاړلې لکه شوکت علي ته نو بس په $2 د کار کېږي. رښتیا مې والا د هندوان ډېر جالب او عجیبه خلک دي. ویډیو لایک او شیر کړئ.